Delaware City Dog Park is a local park to where dogs and their owners can go to have some fun running around and playing. This park features a gravel path which runs around the park to where dogs and their owners can both enjoy a run or just enjoy the view. It has numerous ponds for which you can see birds, ducks, and geese playing in the water. It has a beautiful views all around the park. Dogs must be on a leash at this park, but there is a fenced-in area where you can take your dog off the leash to play. It has two sides, one for dogs that are bigger than 25 pounds and the other for dogs that are under 25 pounds. Many hills that go up and down as well as a couple of bridges to stand on and enjoy the view. It is located at 840 Mill Run Crossing, Delaware, Ohio 43015, which is behind a strip of stores that includes Diggy's Barbecue, Kohl's, Dollar Tree, and Meijer. It is also located next to a housing development called the Preserve of Quail Pass. Besides this park being used for leisure time, it is also home to the Delaware Turkey Trot, a fun kids run / 5K race which is held the morning of Thanksgiving. The race is on its 7th year at this location. Where this park is located at the end of the race is the last grueling test to the race before you end up on the home stretch. It is sponsored by the New Beginnings Methodist Church, which is formerly known as the Grace UMC. Their mission has always been committed to making the community a better place. With Delaware being big in the local sports, they felt the need, want, and drive to host a 5K race. But what is different with this race is all the proceeds from this race all gets donated to the Autism Society of Central Ohio. They are an organization that helps the community and surrounding areas with families who have been affected by autism. This race, for these past 6 years, going on 7, has helped donate $93,000 to this organization. You can learn more details and or register for this race at www.delawareturkeytrot.com. The registry caps at 1,350 participants and it closes November 21st at 6 p.m., which is the night before the race. Upon finishing this race, there is light refreshments and water being held at the finish line. If you have a baby stroller, you can also participate. You have a dog, you can also participate. It doesn't matter. They just encourage you to start towards the end of the race because they don't want to be tripping the people that are towards the front that are there to strictly run at their best. This race encourages people to get out and go exercise. It doesn't matter if you walk or run. If you've never ran before, you've been running your whole life, or you just want to get out and exercise. They just want you to go out and have fun.